Let's hit our Trader Blitz now. First up, CVS and Walmart signing a new multi-year agreement, keeping Walmart in the pharmacy's benefit network. Joe.
I'm not that excited about the response. I want to see more. $83 stock last year, $65 today. The low was $60. CVS, listen, if you're going to buy the stock, I wouldn't sell it here, but if you're going to buy it, you're buying it on the belief that at the investor conference, CVS basically told you all the bad news. Flu season, not that good, lower brand inflation, and higher interest expense for the year. So your hope is that all the bad news has been priced in. You'll see upside over here. I don't sell it, but I'm not necessarily sure I want to buy it just yet.
All right, VF Corp shares higher after posting an earnings beat. Strong full-year guidance. John.
Yeah, raised guidance, Mel. They said in particular the Vans brand that they sell, those shoes are just exploding out of the stores.
They're everywhere.
Yep.
Everybody's got them on their feet. It's crazy.
Well, I was way early to that.
As you are always.
No, for real though.
This one, the stock is at the highs of the day, up 12.5%, just churning on.
Eli Lilly shares lower in news its cancer treatment drug failed a phase 3 trial. Actually, this is a combo treatment, correct, that they tested?
Yeah.
And that combo didn't work.
It didn't work, and they're taking 17 cents from earnings next year. That's about right, the reaction of the stock when you look at the PE. However, multiple pipelines. I like the healthcare group. Allergan has been on a tear lately, still well off its highs.
All right, NXP Semi upgraded to a buy from the neutral over at Nomura. Josh.
Can I be honest with you?
Always. Aren't you honest all the time? Wait, hold on. Aren't you honest all the time?
Can I start being honest with you?
I'm going to break some news.
Well,
Wow.
I just don't like these calls because what they're saying it's still not going to have any revenue growth, still not going to have any earnings growth. But we looked at the whole semi sector, and we're looking at them on an enterprise value to cash flow basis, and this one is selling at the biggest discount to its historical, and that's the reason to buy. There's no real catalyst. Nothing's going particularly well for the stock, so I don't buy these types of upgrades, and I almost feel like they are obligatory. Like the analyst has to find something good to say once in a while in its coverage universe. So I'm at a hard pass this one. NXPI is all yours.
Emerging markets on pace for their best month since January 2018, Megan.
Yep, we are overweight emerging markets. We've been overweight emerging markets. They really got beaten up last year. And going forward, we think that there's 3 important things to watch. The first is the dollar. The Fed stepping back a little bit means that our expectation for the dollar is pretty much a flat line over the next year. And the other 2 are all about China. Trade, and then also Chinese policymakers' response to slowing growth. We've seen them cutting taxes, giving aid to small businesses, really trying to take a little bit more of a surgical approach to policy stimulus to help more of the consumer and small businesses than the state-owned enterprises like we saw in 2015.